Yeah, so if you were wronged, let's say somebody stole your dog or something, you were responsible for bringing the other party who stole your dog to a court. There wasn't like you couldn't have him arrested.
Mm.
You had to go bring him in yourself or get a posse of your friends to do it. There's a lot of vigilante justice,
Oh,
frankly, in the
wow.
Roman world, where like you and your buddies, take the law into your own hands. But in theory, yes, anybody, if they can bring the person who wronged them before a judge, can then appeal to have it heard. Um, I don't remember honestly all the laws for when they impanel a jury and how big the jury has to be, 'cause it varies depending on the kind of case. But yeah, so it's not all that well developed on the level of process, like what they do and when. But the law itself, the statutes governing, how they decide, how they try these cases, become very intricate. Famously, there's the Code of Justinian at the end of antiquity, who systematizes 1,000 years of Roman law into this, colossal series of codices,
Whoa.
which we still have, of course, and that's the basis of law in continental Europe today. Like the Napoleonic Code, which still is part of the core French law, it's just Roman law simplified.
Wow.
And so is German law, actually, and the law of Louisiana for some reason, because it's based on the French one, but nowhere
They're old
else.
school down
Yeah,
there.
yeah, they are old school, but the rest of America is English civil law, but anyway, or common law. But
But the
anyways,
government, like you said in the last episode, the government
mhm,
has a decent amount of basis in like Rome and Greece.
it absolutely does,
Yeah.
and in law is definitely a case of that.